I'm Susan, and this is day 6 of Dephemerember, and it's hosted by Luise Heinzl and Barbara of 49 Dragonflies. And our prompts for today is feathers, and I don't have any real feathers, but I have these silk flower feathers, and bingo card. I've got this bingo card. What I'm going to do today is birds, and I love this bird. I'm hoping I can make this work. So I'm just going to make a journaling card, and let's see how this turns out. Be sure and check out Luise and Barbara's channels. I'll have them listed in my description box down below. And be sure and check out the hashtag Dephemerember to see what everyone else has made. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, here it is. I think it turned out cute. I've got a little bling on it, got my feathers, got my bingo card, got my pretty bird, and journal on the back. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. I'm going to add this into my book as soon as it dries. Be sure and check out Luise's and Barbara's channels, and be sure and check out the hashtag Dephemerember. So until next time, bye y'all.